Like Terminator, Patrol Terminator stops pursuits before they start, saving lives and reducing property damage. Patrol Terminator is secured within easy reach, mounted inside the patrol vehicle, allowing the officer to grab it and exit the vehicle without shifting focus from the stopped subject. Like all stop-stick products, Patrol Terminator is engineered to deflate tires without a blowout. Weighing just under 2 pounds, Patrol Terminator is just 17.5 inches long, making it easy to drop into the path of a tire. Self-righting end caps ensure proper deployment every time. When the tire runs over Patrol Terminator, hollow Teflon-coated quills act as valves, releasing air safely at a controlled rate in 5 seconds or less. And Patrol Terminator's protective housing keeps the officer safe. Patrol Terminator is reusable and reloadable, weatherproof and durable. It deflates tires on virtually all vehicles, including cars, SUVs, buses, and tractor-trailers, and works on a variety of terrains. StopStick is the exclusive sole source for the purchase of StopStick products. For more information about Patrol Terminator, call us or visit our website at stopstick.com.